Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A6 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often near the footwell or lower dashboard. Give it a firm pull to disengage the first latch mechanism. You should hear a distinct click as it releases, indicating the initial step is complete and the hood is partially unlatched. After pulling the interior lever, move to the front of your Audi A6. You will notice the hood is now slightly ajar, creating a small gap along the front edge. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, usually around the center or slightly to one side, to locate the secondary safety latch. This mechanism provides an extra layer of security for your vehicle. The secondary latch is typically a small lever or a tab that you need to either push or pull to the side. The exact direction can vary slightly, so feel for the movement. Once you manipulate this latch, you will feel the hood completely disengage from its final locking point. This action fully releases the hood, preparing it for lifting. With both latches released, gently lift the hood upwards. It should open smoothly with minimal effort. Next, locate the hood prop rod, which is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully insert the end of the prop rod into the designated slot on the engine bay frame. This ensures the hood remains securely open while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.